What if I told you that one sentence you say to your child every single day could quietly shape their confidence for the rest of their life? Not because you're a bad parent, but because you don't realize the impact those small, everyday moments have. The truth is, most parents don't make life-changing mistakes. Instead, it's the little habits. The rushed mornings. The impatient replies. The constant no. The comparisons. The distractions. They seem harmless today, but years later, they can become the voice your child hears inside their own head. And here's the surprising part. Almost every loving parent makes these mistakes, including me, including people you know, and maybe, even you. So before you dismiss this video, stay until the end, because the number one mistake is so common that millions of parents make it every single day, believing they're helping their child, when in reality, they're doing the exact opposite. Let me tell you a quick story. A mother named Sarah loved her 6-year-old son more than anything in the world. Every morning, she woke up before sunrise, packed his lunch, got him dressed for school, worked all day, cooked dinner, helped with homework, and somehow still found the energy to tuck him into bed every night. Like many busy parents, she often found herself saying, "Hurry up. Stop making a mess. Not right now. I don't have time." She thought she was simply trying to get through another busy day. Then one evening, everything changed. As Sarah walked past her son's bedroom, she heard him talking to his favorite teddy bear. He looked at the toy and said, "Hurry up. Stop crying. I don't have time for you." Sarah stopped in her tracks. Those weren't just random words. They were her words. In that moment, she realized something heartbreaking. Children don't just listen to us. They become us. That night, she hugged her son and softly asked, "Do you think Mommy gets angry too much?" He smiled, wrapped his little arms around her, and whispered, "I know you love me. I just miss when you smile." Those few words changed the way Sarah parented forever. Because she finally understood that children don't remember every toy we buy them or every rule we make. They remember how we make them feel. And that's exactly why today's video matters. Today, we're going to uncover 10 everyday parenting mistakes that even the most loving moms and dads make without realizing it, and more importantly, the simple changes that can help raise happier, more confident, and emotionally healthy kids. So let's get started with mistake number 10. 10 mistakes parents make every day, with real-life examples. Mistake number 10, expecting instant obedience. Imagine you're making dinner, and your 7-year-old is completely focused on building a Lego spaceship. You call, "Dinner's ready." No answer. You call again, still nothing. Frustrated, you shout, "Why do you never listen?" But your child wasn't ignoring you. They were simply deeply focused on what they were doing. Instead of yelling, walk over, make eye contact, and say, "Dinner's ready. Let's save your spaceship and come eat together." Children cooperate better when they feel connected instead of commanded. Mistake number 9, comparing your child to others. 8-year-old Ethan brings home a math test with a B. Instead of celebrating his improvement, his dad says, "Your cousin Emma got an A. Why can't you do that?" In that moment, Ethan stops feeling proud. He starts feeling like he'll never be enough. Every child learns differently. Compare your child to who they were yesterday, not to someone else. Mistake number 8, solving every problem for them. Your daughter is trying to tie her shoes before school. She's struggling. Instead of giving her another minute, you kneel down and do it for her. It saves 30 seconds today. But it steals a chance to build confidence tomorrow. Sometimes children need encouragement, not rescue. Mistake number 7, always saying no. At the grocery store, your 4-year-old reaches for the apples. Don't touch. They start walking ahead. Stop. They laugh loudly. Be quiet. By the end of the trip, they've heard no dozens of times. Instead, try giving positive directions. Let's keep the apples in the basket. Walk beside me. Let's use our indoor voice. Children respond better when they know what to do, not just what not to do. Mistake number 6, dismissing their feelings. Your son drops his ice cream and starts crying. You quickly say, "It's just ice cream. Stop crying." To you, it's a small problem. To him, it's the biggest disappointment of his day. Instead, say, "I know you're upset. I'd feel disappointed too." Feeling understood helps children calm down much faster. Mistake number 5, spending more time on your phone than with them. Your daughter excitedly says, "Mom, watch this." Without looking up from your phone, you answer, "That's nice." She quietly walks away. To adults, it's only a few seconds. To a child, it feels like they weren't important enough to be noticed. Sometimes 5 minutes of full attention is worth more than an hour spent together while distracted. Mistake number 4, correcting more than encouraging. Your son spends 20 minutes cleaning his room. He proudly says, "I'm done." You look around and immediately notice one toy left on the floor. You missed that. Instead of feeling proud, he feels like nothing he does is ever good enough. Try noticing the effort first. You worked really hard cleaning your room. Let's pick up that last toy together. Encouragement motivates. Constant criticism discourages. Mistake number 3, never saying sorry. After a stressful day, you lose your temper and yell. A few minutes later, everyone acts like nothing happened. But your child remembers. The next time, try saying, "I'm sorry for raising my voice. I was frustrated, but I shouldn't have spoken that way." Children don't need perfect parents. They need parents who show them how to take responsibility. Mistake number 2, rewarding everything with toys or treats. Your child finishes their homework. "Let's get ice cream." They clean their room. "Here's a new toy." Soon, they begin asking, "What do I get?" Instead of learning responsibility, they start expecting rewards for every good choice. Sometimes your words are enough. "I'm really proud of how responsible you were today." That kind of praise builds lasting confidence. Mistake number 1, forgetting that your child is always watching you. You tell your child, "Be kind." But they hear you yelling at another driver. You tell them, "Stay calm." But they watch you lose your temper over a small mistake. Children learn more from what we do than from what we say. If they see patience, they'll learn patience. If they see respect, they'll learn respect. The greatest lesson you'll ever teach your child isn't spoken. It's lived.